In this video, I'm going to show you how to change direct deposit on TurboTax before filing. So first of all, I'm unable to show you some direct steps in here due to restrictions since I am not a US citizen or have a TurboTax experience in here, but I'll try my best to explain each step so you can follow along. So first, make sure you log in with your TurboTax account and open your current tax return. So from the main dashboard, you'll see there a click federal in the top menu. So as you can see in here, I don't have yet a feature for federal because I'm not yet finished with my portfolio in here, with my profile information and so on. So scroll down to the refund section. And when you get to do the how would you like to receive your funds screen, you'll see your current direct deposit details. So click on the edit button and besides your bank info. And now simply enter your new routing number and account number and make sure you choose the correct account type, the checking or savings, and then double check the numbers to avoid any refund delays. So once you are confident it's accurate, click continue to save the changes. And remember, you can only change your direct deposit info before filing. So once your return is submitted, you can't update the bank details in TurboTax anymore. And that's it. So your fund is now set to go exactly where you want it. So if you're ready, you can go ahead and finish your return and file with confidence. And that's how you change direct deposit on TurboTax before filing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.